Be ready. Start. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, petitioner Kasinath Kulkarni seeks a direction to the respondents to promote upgrade him from the post of Mazdoor to the post of pipe fitter in the water works branch of Bombay Municipal Corporation. Case of the petitioner is that he belongs to scheduled caste community and in the year 1991 he joined BMC as Mazdoor on muster roll basis. Ultimately, service of the petitioner was regularized as Mazdoor in the water works branch of BMC by order dated 15/6/1996 with effect from 1/3/1996 issued by the Commissioner BMC. Since 1996, petitioner is serving as Mazdoor without a single promotion, though he is in the said post for almost 18 years now. Workers similarly placed like the petitioner were promoted upgraded in the water works branch of BMC. Some were upgraded as skilled gangmen, some as assistant pipe fitters, whereas some as fitter operators and others are valve regulator. By recent order dated 14/5/2013 issued by the Commissioner BMC, 4 assistant pipe fitters have been promoted to the post of pipe fitter. In that process, the case of the petitioner was ignored and he was not considered for promotion. Accordingly, with the grievance that the case of the petitioner was repeatedly overlooked, the petitioner has filed the present writ petition seeking the relief as indicated above. Respondent numbers 2, 3 and 4 have filed a common affidavit. It is contended that the service of the petitioner was regularized wide order dated 15/6/1996 with effect from 1/3/1996. Regarding other contentions of the petitioner, respondents have offered no comment. Thus, contention of the petitioner is that he has been unjustifiable denied promotion has not been denied. What therefore transpires from the materials on record is that the petitioner Kasinath Kulkarni is working as Mazdoor in BMC for almost 18 years. During this long period of 18 years, he has not been offered a single promotion or any service incentive by way of career advancement. On a query by the court, learned standing counsel Mr. Dilip Pawar submits that no service rule has been framed for the subordinate staff of BMC. The Supreme Court has held that in a number of cases that an employee is recruited by an employer of an organization for a whole career, and it is the duty of the employer to ensure that the employee does not suffer stagnation in service which may have an adverse effect on the administration of the organization itself. Therefore, every management organization must provide realistic opportunity to its employees for promotion. The guarantee of a fair consideration in matters of promotion under Article 16 virtually flows from the guarantee of quality under Article 14 of the Constitution of India. That being the position, duty is cast upon the BMC authority, which is an instrumentality of the state, to discharge its legal and constitutional obligation by ensuring that the employees do not suffer from service stagnation and that periodical review of career advancement of the employees is undertaken.